Guys, in today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the access not available issue on TikTok Live Studio. The first step is to open your TikTok mobile app and go to your profile by typing the icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, click on the three-bar menu in the top right corner and select Setting and Privacy button at the bottom. Once you are in the settings, scroll all the way down until you see the Report a Problem option. Now you might be wondering why we are going into this section. Typically, when TikTok Live is not available on your account, it is due to internal issues on TikTok's side. The best way to resolve this is to directly contact TikTok support and request assistance in restoring access to TikTok Live Studio. After tapping Report a Problem, select the Live category. From there, choose the option that matches your situation. For this example, I will select Hosting Live and then go to Other Hosting Live Issues. When prompted with question, select No and then tap Need More Help. This will open a chat window where you can directly contact TikTok support. From here, you can explain your issue and a TikTok representative will help you resolve it. That's all there is to it. This video helped you fix the problem with TikTok Live Studio.